The world around us is evolving faster than ever before. Today's teachers face tough challenges to equip students with the knowledge and skills needed in the future. Problem solving, critical thinking, and other 21st century skills are critical for students to be prepared for the future.
For over 30 years, LEGO Education has been helping teachers and students by providing hands-on tools that allow students to engage and learn. We understand the educational needs for the future, and we will continue to work to ensure students of today are prepared for the needs of the future.
Being a great leader is a lot about being a great follower. In LEGO Education, we pride ourselves on our ability to follow the teacher, to follow the student into the classroom, because who we are at LEGO Education are really an extension of the classroom, helping teachers and students be successful.
I think that LEGO Education has a really unique approach when it comes to student learning in the classroom and the products that they offer, and also the additional resources that they offer to teachers. It's very unique in that it's student-centered, it has a strong, firm grip on technology and on authentic connections to the real world, modeling after the real work of scientists, mathematicians, engineers.
LEGO Education is really about giving them opportunities to solve problems that they haven't encountered before and to come up with a solution when they come to me and they say, did I do it right? And I say, I don't know. Did you solve the problem? Where there are multiple answers. That's really what LEGO Education is about.
I passionately believe that if you make it engaging enough, you can make it very challenging for the students, and they really learn in a whole much better way than traditionally.
The best thing about LEGO Education products is that they produce high excitement.
LEGO Education does hands-on activities right. It's that tactile, it's that moment they have that in their hands and they see the concept come alive, work, function. Then they actually understand that.
As a math teacher and a science teacher, I appreciate the applications from a STEM point of view, but also as an art teacher, they're very creative. They allow children to freely build on their own, or if I want to do a lesson and I want them to gain something from a lesson, we can do that too.
They're inspired, they're building, and they're working, and it's targeted towards relevant subject matters that they're going to have to know, have mastery over, and have experience with in the workplace. We've really achieved our educational goals.
It's meaningful to students because it's just this authentic framework for students being able to make connections to their lives beyond just the classroom and transfer their learning into the real world.
This is a 21st century skill for sure. Being able to problem solve, being able to work with groups, to be able to think through a process, to come up with a product when they're all done, to say, yes, I did that, I made that, not just I learned about something.
And actually just working in the education environment, you meet so many passionate teachers who are really keen to make a difference in students' lives, and that's what we're all about. We're all about making a difference for the learners.
The part that I'm most excited about at all times is really watching that aha moment occur. It's truly a magical experience.